Mokiwa, oh my people. Ó ti lẹ́tí kẹbá o ẹjọ́ mo ní kí wá béèrè àwọn nǹkan kan ní o. Ǹjẹ́ ó ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tá ṣe Ọmọyẹlé Sowore? Ǹjẹ́ ó ní ọjà tí Ọmọyẹlé Sowore gbé kalẹ̀ tó ń tà tí àwa Yorùbá tá lọ bẹ̀ tá lọ price tá padà rà torí ó máa ń bí ẹlòmíì inú tí ó bá tajà rárá tó wá price tó rà. A lè máa sọ pé ìkanra yẹn ló fi ń mọ́ wa dé ọ̀dọ̀ Ìgbòho dé ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá Tinubu at the rest of Yorùbá land. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ǹjẹ́ ó ní nǹkan kan tí Ọmọyẹlé Sowore gbé kalẹ̀ tó ń tà tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tá lọ rà on credit tá jẹ lówó tó ṣe ń fìkanra mọ́ wa tí a mọ̀? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ ẹ tètè bọ́ síta kẹ́ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ price ká lè tètè san owó yẹn because wàhálà Ọmọyẹlé Sowore tẹ́ pọ̀ jù lórí àwa ọmọ Yorùbá àti ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ó kéré gan ni Ọmọyẹlé Sowore, ó kéré òbí tí òbí ló báyìí láti jẹ́ pé Northerner àti àwọn ọmọ Yíbò wọ́n join together láti wá lo ìwọ against wa kàkà kílẹ̀kù ilẹ̀ ayé àṣà a máa fi ẹ́ pàrokò ránṣẹ́ sí Northerner àti àwọn ọmọ Yíbò tó gbé sórí bíi háràhárà. Ṣebí tí àwọn èèyàn bá ti kó fún ẹ dáadáa torí pójú ẹ bó nínú interview tó ń grant káàkiri ibẹ̀ ló ti máa sọ ọmọ Yorùbá ni ẹ o ìjọ àpò yìí ni ẹ o ẹ̀yin ni làjẹ tó ń gbé lórí omi o ìjọ tó bá dẹ̀ ti fẹ́ ṣe business ẹ dáadáa tó fẹ́ gbowó lọ́wọ́ Northerner àti àwọn ọmọ Biafra ìgbà yẹn ló máa mọ̀ pé ìwọ ò ṣe Yorùbá o. Mi wọ́n ti ń wá confusionist láyé mi rí you are the number one. You yourself are so confused. You are so confused you don't even know where you belong. Ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ wípé kí l'Ọmọyẹlé Sowore tún ṣe this time around tó fi le tó báyìí. Ó le jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ìwọ náà tẹ̀lé mi kó wá gbọ́ fídíò yìí. Wá gbọ́rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu.
Nnamdi Kanu is in jail today because he's different from Sunday Igboho. Yes. If Nnamdi Kanu were to be Sunday Igboho, he would be campaigning for Tinubu in the southeast now. Yes. Because it's the same terms that he gave to Sunday Igboho that he accepted that Nnamdi Kanu has rejected over the last 10 years. So please don't insult it. I don't know what he will do tomorrow, but the Nnamdi Kanu that I went to campaign for in Aba last week is not somebody. It will be, I don't even know what to call it, if it's a heresy to compare the two of them. As per Sunday Igboho, who I don't know too well, but I've always stated that their own brand of politics is what they call Amala politics in your state. It is politics of chop I chop. It is what they used to call during in the southeast or rub bumbo. Rub my back, I rub your back. So, but what Sunday Igboho is going to quickly realize is that it's going to be in the hall of infamy, like the Nzeribes of this world, who once said that if Babangida did not become president, he will kill himself. Yes. Right? Both him and Babangida have become invalid. You know, it's like Daniel Kanu, who said if Abacha did not become president, he will kill himself. Abacha has died. His own political career died forever. It's like Baba Adedibu in Ibadan, who says that Obasanjo, if he doesn't do third time, he will kill himself. He has also died. So these are ideas that will not last. And I have no doubt that Sunday Igboho has just automatically, if he was ever relevant, just retired himself into the infamy of the people I mentioned. And his own might be worse, because the whole community might be cooking for him very soon. I will go to anywhere in Nigeria to campaign, and I want to see him come and stop me. And I'm sure he will never try. So some of it is also psychological. They are just using them to scare you so that you won't stand up, you know, because they know if Tinubu is truly supported by 33 governors, why is he afraid of? Why is he afraid of rallies? Yeah, that tells you that it is the governors that are decamping, the people are not decamping.
Sowore, now waiting. Leave Igboho matter alone now. If Sowore agreed to lead Biafra agitators, made them for protest, peaceful protest for Kanu freedom, it's good now. After all, now all of us they pray for freedom for Kanu. But how Igboho matter can't take enter? Now I don't know. If una listen to what Sowore talk for that video, it was say the only reason when still make Kanu Nnamdi dey inside Kuje prison now because he dey different from Igboho. Sowore tie bye. Now because Kanu Nnamdi no be like Igboho, now make am still dey inside Kuje prison for Sokoto. Yes, You can never compare Igbo with Kanu. They are two different human beings. Igbo na Yoruba with our DNA, tribal mark. Erila mini la pampa. Omako original Yoruba person. Blood, they run through in veins. Kanu na Igbo. Our level of thinking, they different. We know they reason the same way, Sowore. Because we know they reason the same way. Now true, we they do agitation, Yoruba nation agitation and Biafra agitation. But the way we they do our Yoruba nation agitation, they totally different from Biafra. Anyhow you see me talk to Biafra agitator in this video, my people may not know verse, and them cause them, including Sowore. You need to see their video hitting Igbo back to back online. Calling Igbo different names. I beg now where on a day when about 3 mothers, 3 generations for Igbo family, why because of this Igbo freedom where you get now? I beg my people now don't forget it. Because this Igbo freedom before you go get time, mama say he won't go beg God. She fine. Igbo grandma won't go beg God. She pay for freedom for Igbo. Igbo mother-in-law pay on top of freedom for Igbo. Now waiting on I want again. Sowore, you know this word the day where them go busted the Igbo's house. They pay a lot of people there. In friend, in cousin, carry many agitators, go prison for Abuja. We know how much we spend, stress and everything before they regain their freedom. Can't remain Igbo in Kutonu. The time where they lock Igbo in Kutonu, you did Nigeria. How many times you go Kutonu, go say hello to Ram? Or you talk for online, say, hey, Igbo, we dey feel for you, this, da. Shebi you did this one, you did jubilate. Your mind, they sweet you like say you win lotto. I don't know what Igbo do you, Sowore. What Yoruba buy for your hand where we know pay money? When you any given opportunity, you never see anything good about Yoruba people, Yoruba race, Yoruba land. You go they hunt us. You go they insulted Yoruba people back to back. And you go carry Igbo matter put for head. You go carry Northern matter put for head. When it comes to Yoruba matter, you go eat us back to back. Destroying Yoruba name, everything about Yoruba, you go molest and harass and useless and Sowore. After the interview, now you go say you be Do Apoy, you be from Ilaje. Ọmọ àlè ló hùwà bí ti èyí. Ó hùwà ọmọ ọkọ. Àbájọ lára ẹ tí gbogbo àwọn followers ẹ dẹ̀yìn. No wonder your followers Sowore, we Moyele Sowore, you know say you get followers. Plenty followers before. All of them, they ran away from you. See your life. My people, may una listen very well. Oh, the time where Igbo they lead Yoruba Nation rally, the same Moyele Sowore, they condemn Igbo's effort. They condemn your own effort and my own effort. All the Yoruba Nation campaign agitator, all our effort this period, that period where Yoruba Nation movement they hot where. Sowore they hit us back to back. They condemn us. Say, don't mind them. Would they tell them Biafra, Yoruba Nation? Nigeria cannot be divided. Nigeria cannot be divided. They can never separated. Instead of us to join hands together, he said, may we can't join and may we fight one Nigeria. And that particular time, the message where they talk, they say, if not true, or if not true, you carry for hand. You pass this way, I go this way, you go that way, we go meet for front. 2023, I know waiting go take President Bola Ahmed Tinubu do for this Nigeria, for this Yoruba land. Ṣebí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín tẹ́ wà nínú movement lẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ńgbà náà wípé irọ́ ni o ẹ ló ti gba trillion ẹ ló ti gba billion ẹni irọ́ ni ó campaign fún Tinubu kò sí nǹkan tí ẹ ṣe fún ó pé ẹni ló mọ bàbá sọ pé ẹni màmá lẹ fẹ́ ẹ ló ṣe òkúta fún yẹn ló parọ́ fún yín ni ẹ mọ bẹ ṣe gbówó lé gògóńgẹ tẹ́ fẹ́ já okùn ẹ̀mí ẹ tẹ́ ẹ mind the situation tó pass through nígbà náà ìwọ tó bá tiẹ̀ mọ́nu yàrá kan lọ́jọ́ kan wàá mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní freedom. Ìgbà yẹn ló yẹ kí Ìgbò ti bínú kó fi Yorùbá nation sílẹ̀ pé ẹgbà mí ẹ wo àwọn tá ń jà torí tiwọn tó jà níta ló ń disturb lẹ́yìn kùlé bàbá àtòun Ìgbò ò máa lọ o. Láti ìgbà náà tí bàbá Tinubu ti wá wìn tó ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tá ti wá tó ti wá lọ káàkiri wípé òkè ó rẹ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ńgbà tẹ́ ti wá da Yorùbá nation rú tẹ́ ti bà jẹ́ mọ́ra yín lọ́wọ́ Gbogbo yín tẹ́ ń sáré àsápajúdé èyí tó fẹ́ ṣe president, èyí tó fẹ́ ṣe governor, èyí tó fẹ́ ṣe minister, mo pariwo tó. Gbogbo wa tá à ń pariwo Yorùbá nation tá a bá padà rí gbà. Kò sí tó bá máa plan nípa Yorùbá government. Kò sí kankan nu wa tó máa pè síbẹ̀. A kàn ṣiṣẹ́ fún ìran wa ni. Ìran wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe president, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe governor, minister, senator, gbogbo wọn wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní parọ́ tó wọn. Ẹ lọ máa submit CV, wọ́n pé wọ́n ṣí website, wọ́n ṣí gbogbo ẹ̀. Òfúùtù fẹ́ tààtà sí òníkan. Lẹ́ẹ̀ni nǹkan láláyé tó lọ sókè. Halẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀. Gbogbo yín wá ṣẹnu wọ́yọ̀wọ́yọ̀ Ìgbòho. Ibo ni Ìgbòho ti wá jẹ́ problem yín o. Mo ní kí bèrè ibo ló ti jẹ́ problem yín. Ọmọyẹlé Sowore. Wetin Igboho do you? Igboho will never be Kanu Nnamdi Lailai. Never. They are two different things. Because throughout the Yoruba nation agitation, Igboho has never come out and make it mandatory for Yoruba people or Yoruba land. Sit at home every Monday. You don't hear am for one time where Igboho say, if you come out for your house every Monday, we go pay you. No, we not pay anybody. The same set of people where we they pray for, where we they fight for a better life for them. Now them we go still they pay. No, now. But Biafra is totally different. They say that they fight for their people. Now the same set of the people that they fight for, now them they pay. You don't see where Yoruba nation agitator and Nigeria army, where they face one another, they do ta-ta-ta. No, many times it happened between Biafra agitator and Nigeria army. One of the reasons why they still hold Nnamdi Kanu there, because they say he buying some of their soldiers. He go not buying soldier, he not buying your lopa for movements. Tori, you know why? We are Yorubas. We don't think like Igbo. We will never do that. We will never think like them. We love ourselves. Forget, we feel abuse ourselves or we feel do anything, say anything to one another. But you see that the new blood, it is our blood. We love ourselves. We love our land. So if Igbo now come out today and said he throw his support behind President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, where is the betrayer? Why una they carry matter, Igbo matter, they do like say, una never see something like this before. It no happen to Ojukwu, the late Ojukwu, what it be his name? Ojukwu, you know Ojukwu, the first one that led Biafra. Now because Ojukwu be army officer, now he make and get that opportunity where be army in your colleagues, then give him the opportunity that year where they do Biafra. And at the end, the whole thing, opposite he be army, do everything. He no run, he ran away, he go in exile. Now from exile, he carry microphone, they beg Nigeria government, say, he know they do again, he don't succumb, he not ready to fight one Nigeria, he don't join one Nigeria. And Ojukwu even talk for that video, I be una want me to bring her out. He there online, I go bring her out. Ojukwu say he advise any Igbo people, may they not do this kind of thing again. I be not talking for video, I watch her, I hear her like this. But if they say Biafra still continue, why not if not? Because the situation in Nigeria, it is critical. So, if Igbo now can't get freedom now, after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu give Igbo freedom, may Igbo now come out, may begin the recourses upon President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, can't they praise Obi? Now the thing well now won't be that. May Igbo can't they praise Obi, can't they say in the radio, he won't throw his support behind Obi, or may begin the praise Atiku. Can't they tell una say yes, Atiku be the man of the moment, oh, may una vote for Ramo, may una campaign for Ramo. I mean that the thing well now they expect with that. We not be bastard, ki shomale. Ki shomale, omoko Yoruba ni wa. Ní ìgbà tí Igbo bá lọ campaign fún Atiku, tí ó lọ campaign fún Obi, tó jẹ́ pé Yorùbá ló campaign fún, kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ betrayal. Sowore, rest. Rest in Jesus' name. Leave Igbo alone. And if you be better person, you won't tell us say you don't know people where you go call, where they go give you Igbo number. Where you go call Igbo by yourself, make you ask question. And I trust Igbo, he go tell you everything where you ask him. But hey, hatred no go allow you think well. So you do overdo, you come become nonsense for your for government and for Nigerians and why will video?
Oloye Sunday Igbo sha. To even think, say I almost lost my life when you dey fight Yoruba nation. They fight for Yoruba nation. We be say reach one stage. People begin report my account to DSS. I have to run, leave Nigeria, and go Togo. While I was in Togo, I attended your court hearing for Benin Republic twice from Togo. I was paying transport to Benin. Even though we were not allowed into court premises, I stood outside. Today, they open mouth say, we don't want any nonsense Obi or useless article for Southwest. Go to the north and tell them to vote for Tinubu now, or go to the southeast and tell them who to vote for. Ojugba miti funyin, walai. I'm just so ashamed. Thank God I didn't lose my life.
Alabosi. Igbo disappoint ìwọ náà. Ó jẹ jíjẹ, ó wẹ wíwẹ̀, ó mu mímu, ó múlẹ̀, ó ṣe gbé ó ṣàwo. Jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run brother mi yẹn. Ṣé nítorí family Igbo ló ṣe àbí torí Igbo? Torí kí ló ṣe jẹ jíjẹ tó mu mímu tó múlẹ̀ tó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó lò ó ṣe oríṣiríṣi. Ọlọ́run ni ò jẹ́ kó kú. Torí kí ni? Torí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí Igbo náà ṣe jẹ jíjẹ tó mu mímu tó gòkè tó sọ̀kalẹ̀ tó fara pa. Tọ́lọ́ ò jẹ́ kẹ́mi ẹ̀ bá lọ fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kí ló dé tí gbogbo yín wá ń sunkún òfò? Èyí tí ò bá ti decision Igbo ò bá ti tẹ́ lọ́rùn. Dèdè yín lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ kó lọ fèsì leader mi ṣógun ni. Tó bá dé wá rí wípé Igbo disappoint ó wọ ẹ ó dùn ẹ dákíyẹmí ara. Ṣé kò wù ẹ́ kí ìwọ náà kó máa praise orúkọ ẹni? Ṣé kò wù ẹ́ kó jó lórí ire èèyàn kí gbogbo ayé máa sátẹ̀lé ẹ lẹ́yìn kan máa jó orúkọ ẹ lẹ́nu kan máa sọ wípé kinní kan? Ìwọ náà ṣe bọ́kùnrin bíi ti Igbo, ṣe bíi ti Igbo, bọ́ síta kó wá lead má ṣe fídíò. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ti jẹ́ pé fídíò nìkan lẹ lè ṣe, ọ̀lẹ ni yín, yín, ọ̀bí yín. A jẹ́ wípé bàbá yín òun lọ máa dé yẹ mọ́. Ọkùnrin tó sun rárá fọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́. Akọ́ṣẹ́ ló ṣe, ewo bí tọmọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ tó ti sọ wípé nǹkan òun move forward pẹ̀lú ilé ayé òun, ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ ń sunkún. You know the shame. Ọmọ Yorùbá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òkun tẹ̀ ní tìjú mọ́. Now to the next video. That ẹlẹ́gbọ̀n àgbà, mo máa wo program yẹn dẹ̀ disappoint ara yín. Ta lẹ́yìn advice ẹ kọ́kọ́ lọ advice ara yín 1000 times. Kẹ́ padà wá bọ́ síta wá ṣe video. Àbọ̀rùn ta yín ni. Ṣọ́rùn ta yín ni ẹlẹ́gbọ̀n àgbà. Torí mo máa ń gbé video yín lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan pẹ́ funny. Ṣé nǹkan mi ń ṣe yín ni? Ta ni yín tẹ́ yín advice Igbo ó mà ga o. Kò sí oríṣi ọ̀bẹ tá ní rí níjọ́ kú erin náà. Tí ó bá wá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, èyí tó dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló yẹ kó máa rán kó gbájúmọ́ lọ́wọ́. Igbo shouldn't be your problem. Tí Igbo, okay now, many people have called me as well. Many people don't call me tire for phone. Advice Igbo, me take it easy. Because Igbo don't talk one thing. He say make Obi and Atiku, they no bond them well. Make they no come campaign for their ambition or whatever. For their political party, for Yoruba land. My people, all Yoruba people begin to run at scatter. Hey, waiting, me una be coming down. Abositi man poju lara wa. All of una we una dey talk say the thing wey Igbo talk it too much. How many una don't condemn the abuse where Aisha Yesufu they abuse Yoruba people, Yoruba land and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Abi you know be Yoruba. You want tell me say you know they listening. Abi you know they watch Aisha Yesufu's interview. No interviewed where that lady Aisha Yesufu granted on behalf of Nigeria, where she no go insulted President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, insulted Yoruba people, insulted Yoruba land, everything about Yoruba, condemn us back to back, just like Omoyele Sowore. The same Aisha Yesufu came out till tomorrow, still they talk and go online, go and search for his for her video. She get YouTube channel. Type Aisha Yesufu YouTube, you go carry you go in YouTube channel. May you go watch and listen to all our video there. How they take abuse all of us. What nothing bad where they this one where Aisha Yesufu never talk about Yoruba people because of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. She they even the grant interview they say and her like this say if Tinubu like maybe president for Nigeria, but for your side though, he no accept Tinubu as a president. As a matter of fact, Aisha Yesufu say Tinubu no be president for Nigeria. Nigeria no get president. And many other rubbish talk where she they open her mouth, they talk there. No be them. Now the talk bad talk where they talk nine they take ruin that Labour Party. Now they that their talk. Now they take finish Obi. Where they carry Obi put for head like gala the hawker. So all the Yoruba way now they listen to Aisha Buhari, they insulted your land, your race, your people. I mean Yoruba. You don't see anything bad in it, but you can't see something bad in waiting you go talk. You are an hypocrite. Alabosi ni ẹ́. Alabosi ni ẹ́. Báwo lọ bó ṣe ṣorí tí náà kí o ṣe. Ọmọ Yẹlé Sowore nígbà tá à ń ṣe Yoruba nation back to back ó máa ń bú wa ni. Àbó ti gbàgbé ni. Ó ní Nàìjíríà ò lè pín. Ọmọ Yẹlé Sowore na lie. Now the message where you dey pass to us the time where we dey do Yoruba nation, where you go they lead the movement. You get one day where you can't say anything good about her or you supported her. The time where they arrested Igbo for Kutonu, you come out, you say anything, then you don't go meet Masi Kanu Namdi. You don't go visit her. You don't go do this. You go court. How many times when they carry go court for Kutonu? You want tell us say you know here. You go there. You hate Yoruba. You not like us. And every one of us don't know. You are not part of us. Pack well. Leave Igbo alone. No Igbo. You go take do your own. You go take sell your market. The money where you collected for the Biafra land. The Biafra agitators. Where you want to do free Nnamdi Kanu. No Igbo. You go take do that market. Where you go sell. And now my Biafra people. Leave Igbo alone. They shout Kanu. Na Kanu dey inside problem. No be Igbo. Leave Igbo matter. Igbo will never be Kanu. Kanu is different. Igbo is different. Yoruba nation, we know they pay ourselves. Now they pay on ourselves. Me on arrest. You want Sowore, you want to tell me say you know this? You not see them the time where they do sit at home? How many people where they pay? The Biafra agitator. Many business they collapsed her. Till today, they no regain her. You get one woman where they sick or she won't go born. She dey labor self. On Monday, they rush and go hospital. This agitator, Biafra agitator, they no agree and make she go hospital. Maybe the woman even pay or something. I don't know. Some of the school girl, primary school, secondary school, they go school on Monday. Now, so this Biafra agitator on the road, they go lay them flat. Lay them down flat. Begin they flog their yansh, say they no obey sit at home. We do that one for Yoruba land. I say Igbo will never be Kanu. Lie. Igbo no carry tatata exchange with military in Nigeria. Igbo no carry tatata exchange with police. He no kill military, he no kill police. Now. He get one of the reasons where Kanu Nnamdi dey kuje prison be that. Not be only because of Biafra agitation. Me on a forbid Igbo man matter for na mouth. Ti e ba fe ticket yin ya danu. O po nle o. Una information po nle o. Where is Simon Ekpa today? All of a sudden, the Biafra agitator just abandoned Simon Ekpa. Some go say they don't free and some go say he dey inside prison. Whether they free and he dey inside prison, when I know they mention am, may still remember am one day. Na Igbo matter be una. Sherry ọmọ Pella tó ti lọ dá wàhálà le ní Kuton ní Benin Kingdom o. Ko nse Kutonu ní Benin. Legbe wa bi. Pella, the same Pella tell hail ní TikTok. Ó ti kó wọ̀ràn débẹ̀ o. Queen to be kicked out of the palace for allowing Pella cause embarrassment to Benin Kingdom. The Benin Traditional Council has initiated disciplinary proceedings against a queen in the palace following an unauthorized visit by social media influencer Habib Amsat Adelaja, popularly known as Pella. According to the council, Pella and his entourage gained access to the palace without proper authorization, causing embarrassment and distributing the peace within the premises. The council stressed that the palace is not a public space for casual visits or content creator, but a revered institution governed by long-standing tradition. As part of ongoing investigation, a chief linked to the incident has been suspended indefinitely, while a palace staff member has been detained and charged by the Nigeria Police Force for allegedly aiding the breach. The council also confirmed that a queen featured in the incident is currently facing serious disciplinary action, which may lead to her removal from the palace in line with traditional customs. Meanwhile, Pella has been summoned to appear before a committee of chiefs to explain his action, but has yet to honor the invitation. The council has now issued a public directive demanding his immediate appearance and unreserved written apology. It warned that failure to comply could result in legal action, adding that law enforcement agencies have been placed on alert. Lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa pé Pella tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ lórí TikTok, that ọmọ wa ó ti ṣe wọ́nranwọ̀nran yẹn bó ṣe máa ṣe wọ́nranwọ̀nran, ó ti ṣe dé Benin, ó ti lọ dá wàhálà lẹ̀ o. Wàhálà tó dẹ̀ wá dá sílẹ̀ ó ṣe kéré mi. Ó máa yọ Olori kúrò lórí àpèrè ní palace ọba. Ó gba ó yọ Olori dànù. Kéèsì ẹ̀ ti yọ Olori báyìí òun ló gbọ́ yẹn. Ìkejì lára àwọn ṣífù tó fi àyè gba wọ́nranwọ̀nran yẹn, wọ́n ní indefinite suspension náà fún un. Lára àwọn stáàfù tó wà ńbẹ̀ náà ó ti wà ní àtìmọ́lé báyìí. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n ní Pella unauthorized, kò ìfọ́ọ̀mù wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ kún ọ̀rọ̀ wà wí ẹ̀ pé ó ń bọ̀, wọ́n kàn déédéé yọ síbẹ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, gbogbo bẹ̀yẹn á dàrú and all this thing. So gbogbo yẹn ṣáàdì woro sí woro níbì níbẹ̀. Ìyẹn náà sọ wípé Pella ti dá wàhálà lẹ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ náà ti ránṣẹ́ sí i. Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin àwọn òbí, àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òbí tó wà lásìkò yìí, wọ́ọ̀tì èèyàn tó yẹ kán máa pè ní ìyá o. Wọ́ọ̀tì ìyá o. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀? Àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké wọ̀nyí tí Ọlọ́run bá ti gbà fún wọn tán ní little change, ẹ̀yin òbí wọn dẹ́kùnà àti máa bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ká put wọn through nínú ìrìn àjò ayé á di ìṣòro fún yín torí owó tẹ́ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn. At the end of it, ẹ máa wá kùnà iṣẹ́ yín lórí ayé àwọn ọmọ yẹn títí tó máa wá ń já sí ikú. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ọ̀rọ̀ Pella ò ní já sí ikú. Mo ti gbọ́ conversation láàrin òun àti màmá ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ kan, mo rí wípé màmá ẹ̀ wàláhì ìyá rere ò gbọdọ̀ máa advice ọmọ bó ṣe advice ọmọ. Ó tún ti kùnà lórí Pella. Fídíò Pella mi mọ bẹ́yìn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ṣe ń rí. Mi ò condemn ẹ̀ o, mi lè dúró wò ó 2 minutes because bó ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ kò mọ̀rọ̀ sọ. Ó kàn máa ṣe yánmayànmá, kò sọ̀rọ̀ gbàù, á kò ṣe yánmayànmá, ó kàn máa ṣe bí ọmọ 7 years ago ní behave bí Pella ṣe ń ṣe. Disgracing himself up and down in the name of content creator. Kò sí nǹkan kan tí mo rí inú content ẹ̀ tó encourage àbí tí any other youth like him tó lè copy tó ṣe àǹfààní fún Nàìjíríà. It's all total rubbish and nonsense. Kò sí nǹkan kan tí mo rí tí Pella ń ṣe tó make anything. But fine, all well and good, ìgbà ló nígbà lò. Ọ̀rọ̀ ń yẹ yín bọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lè máa sọ pé kí ni mo fẹ́ bì lára ọmọ tí mo lè bí. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá bímọ tẹ̀ tó ń gbàdúrà fún kò ní ṣépè fọmọ, kò ní wá ìṣubú ọmọ lọ́mọ. Èmi ò fẹ́ ìṣubú Pella tó rọ́mọ mi ò ní ṣubú, ẹni bá ro ìṣubú fọmọ mi, ó ní yẹn ló máa ṣubú. Mo kàn tún pe àkíyèsí ẹ̀yin èèyàn pẹ̀lẹ́lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Benin Kingdom yìí báyìí wípé bí àwọn òbí Mohbad bọ́n ṣe kùnà náà rèé o títí ọmọ yẹn wọ sàréè lẹ́ni báyìí. Bàbá Mohbad àti ìyá Mohbad ṣé wọn máa lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì, ṣé wọn ń ṣe patí, ṣé wọn ń jẹ, ṣé wọn ń mu. Mohbad, òkú Mohbad wà nù yìnyín láti ọdún bíi mélòó, wọn jẹ́ kó lọ sí. Ẹ wá bá mi bèrè abiyamọ, ṣé ìwọlé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ikú ọmọ ò ní kàn wá láéláé. Báwo labiyamọ tọmọ ẹ wà nù yìnyín, báwo ló ṣe ń dijú tó ń sùn tó ń hanrun, ó dẹ̀ lè bòkèlè, ó rántí pọmọ ẹ wà nù yìnyín, ó lè fi sẹ́nu, ó lè ṣe báyìí, ó lè enjoy, ó lè travel, ó lè jó, ó lè ṣe, ọmọ ẹ dẹ̀ wà níbi tó kú sí. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òbí ló ti kùnà láyé tí ò yẹ láti pè lóbi, ó yẹ kán sòkúta mọ́ wọn lọ́rùn, kán sọ wọ́n sínú ọ̀sà kan fi ṣọmọ ẹja lóore ni. Ẹ wo bàbá kékeré kan tó jáde lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí tí olóṣàlẹ́sì tó ń kọ fújì, kí lorúkọ bọ́ ìyẹn. Ẹ wo conversation gbà tó kú tó oríṣiríṣi story bí ìyá ẹ̀ ṣe gbé ṣépè àti oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Kí ló ń ṣe ẹ̀yin ìyá àsìkò yìí? Ẹ̀yin gan yẹ kán sọ yín sínú, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó péré ní ìyá ó yẹ kán sọ yín sínú, kán tún yín bí. Ọmọ òkókó ni yín ẹ̀ ní ìgbà tẹ́ẹ̀ ní nǹkan tẹ́ẹ̀ ní báwo lẹ fẹ́ fi kọ́ mọ. Ọmọ òbí ló ti kùnà lórí àwọn ọmọ wọn ní Nàìjíríà o. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá yí àwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí jẹ́ ìgbà tẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ẹ bá kùnà kí lẹ̀ ń bí wọn fún. Ìyá Pella ó tún ti kùnà lórí Pella náà báyìí sí yìí. Ṣọ́dẹ̀ máa lajú kalẹ̀ tó máa jẹ́ kọ́mọ ẹ kó ṣìṣe. Tí Pella bá lóun fẹ́ ṣe bíi ti bọ̀bọ́ kan tó wá content creator ṣé US àbí South ló ti wá tán ní speed kinní kan. Ṣebí òun ni Pella fẹ́ emulate náà fẹ́ tọ̀ àbí? Tó lóun ti ṣe solar 20 million fún girlfriend ó sínú ilé kó iná má bàa lọ. You can imagine how old is Pella. Ó wá ṣé tó fẹ́ lọ yẹn ó ní protocol kò láwọn tẹjọ jókòó round the table tẹjọ plan ẹ ni ó ní PRO and some other thing ó ní anything ni because kó tó di pé ó fẹ́ lọ síbì kan wà á ti kọ́kọ́ pé irú kábíyèsí ọba of Benin ẹjà sóòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fúnra wa wà á ti lọ ìfọ́ọ̀mù wọn wípé èèyàn báyìí ẹ ti láwọn connections nínú palace ńbẹ ẹni yẹn ló máa lọ sọ fún wọn ìgbà tí àwọn yẹn bá fún yín ní appointment lẹ máa wá. Of course gbogbo àwọn èèyàn nu palace lè máa mọ̀ so ìtúyì máa dùn náà ju wípé ẹ̀kàn déédéé wọnú palace gbogbo ọba kan ló máa dàbí bàbá Ọọ̀ni. Ẹ ti rí pé àtẹnità tó bá ti wọ palace Ọọ̀ni bàbá máa jókòó sáàrin wọn báyìí gbogbo wọn máa rálé ràdé bàbá tún ní kó máa ṣe comedy wọn á tún máa rẹ́rìn wọn á máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi bàbá kó ọmọdé mọ́ra ó kágbàlagbà mọ́ra bàbá wa ní Ọọ̀ni rìṣà ó fìfẹ́ hàn sí wa ó kọkùnrin ó kóbìnrin ó kọ́mọdé ó kágbàlagbà ó tẹríba gbogbo nǹkan tó dá la rí lára wọn ta lè emulate ẹ má wàá rò wípé bí Ọọ̀ni ṣe rí ni àwọn ọba tó kù máa ṣe rí ẹ wo nǹkan tí Bọ́lá lọ dá sílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti dogun báyìí ó ti di woro sí woro olórí báyìí ó máa fi lé ọkọ ẹ̀ lẹ̀ chief báyìí indefinitely suspension èyí tó ti wà ní ẹ̀yìn àtìmọ́lé ó ti wà ń bẹ̀ nítorí wọ́nranwọ̀nran pẹ́là àwọn òbí iṣẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wa o mo sọ yìí mo dúró ní orúkọ tèmi ò yípadà Ìyèdára Kowé ni mò ń jẹ́ má gbàgbé láti bá mi ṣe ètò yìí má sì gbàgbé láti drop comment bá mi like ẹ bá mi thumb up one love keep us together.